Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Barrier Repair Cream is probably one of the most sought-after skincare products for maintaining healthy skin, especially if you struggle with dryness, irritation, or compromised skin barrier function. In this video, we will delve into the world of barrier repair creams, exploring their benefits, key ingredients, and how to choose the perfect one to suit your specific skin needs and concerns. We will also look at some of the top products on the market and provide you with an in-depth review, helping you make an informed decision on your next skincare purchase. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair. This daily face moisturizer is designed for all skin types. It's oil-free and fragrance-free, making it perfect for sensitive skin. It contains ceramide and niacinamide to help repair and strengthen your skin's barrier. These ingredients work together to keep your skin healthy and hydrated. This moisturizer helps repair and strengthen your skin's natural barrier. It's gentle enough for everyday use. It provides long-lasting hydration without clogging pores. It's suitable for even the most sensitive skin. It's formulated without oil or fragrance, minimizing the risk of irritation. This makes it ideal for those with sensitive or reactive skin. Use it every day to experience the benefits of this gentle, yet effective moisturizer. It's your key to healthy, radiant skin. What we like. It's formulated with ceramides and niacinamide to reinforce your skin barrier. If you have sensitive skin and want a lightweight, non-greasy formula, this is a great choice. It's perfect for daily use and won't clog pores. Number 4. Embryolisse Lait-Crème Concentré. Discover the secret to radiant skin with this versatile daily moisturizer. It's more than just a cream, it's your key to a simplified skincare routine. This amazing cream works as a moisturizer, makeup primer, and makeup remover. It simplifies your routine and saves you time. It's formulated to be gentle enough for all skin types. No matter your skin concerns, it will leave you feeling comfortable and confident. Enriched with shea butter and aloe vera, it nourishes and soothes your skin. Experience the natural power of these ingredients. This iconic French face cream has been a beloved beauty staple for generations. It's time to experience the difference. One cream, multiple benefits. It's the ultimate time saver for your daily skincare routine. What we like. This cream is a 3-in-1 product, moisturizer, primer, and makeup remover. It's enriched with shea butter and aloe vera for soothing hydration. If you're looking for a versatile, all-in-one product that simplifies your routine, this is it. What people say. It's creamy and super moisturizing but not heavy at all. It blends in perfectly and leaves my skin with a healthy glowy look. Sometimes I wear it alone and it looks like I just had a facial. I use it under my makeup, still use a primer before foundation, and it works great with my routine. This moisturizer is super lightweight, absorbs fast, and doesn't leave any sticky or greasy residue. It's the perfect balance, hydrating without making my face feel oily or heavy. I have used this in both hot and cold weather. It worked great, my makeup stayed fresh all day without feeling dry or cakey. It's lightweight and buildable, absorbs like a dream and is an excellent base for makeup. It soothes irritation, hydrates, and could also probably do your kids' homework for you. It's so versatile. Really though, I don't wear a lot of makeup as it is, but this cream is so nourishing and soothing that I barely need makeup either way. Number 3. FAB Ultra Repair Cream. This rich, yet light moisturizer absorbs quickly. It provides all-day hydration and leaves your skin feeling comfortable, without any greasy residue. It's formulated with colloidal oatmeal, a powerful ingredient that helps repair and protect your skin's barrier. This helps soothe dry, irritated skin and speeds up the healing process. Even the driest, most sensitive skin will love this cream. It's clinically proven to boost hydration significantly, leaving your skin feeling smooth and comfortable. It's free of common irritants like alcohol, artificial fragrances, and parabens. This makes it a safe and gentle choice for even the most sensitive skin. This moisturizer is dermatologist tested, cruelty-free, and vegan. It comes in recyclable packaging, making it a responsible choice for you and the planet. What we like. It's a fast-absorbing, whipped cream with colloidal oatmeal to soothe and strengthen your skin barrier. If you have dry, irritated skin or eczema, this rich yet lightweight cream will provide immediate relief and long-lasting hydration all over your body. What people say. It evens things out and soothes really dry patches, and when my skin gets kind of raw from the wind and chapped, it fixes that and it stops itch from bug bites. It's very hydrating, light and not sticky. It's calming for wind burn and chemical burn. It moisturizes and softens difficult skin areas. It gets absorbed well. With repeated use, the problem spots I have are much softer. Number 2. ETUDE SoonJung 2X Barrier Cream. Introducing the ETUDE SoonJung 2X Barrier Intensive Cream, specially formulated for sensitive skin. It's a game changer for those seeking relief from irritation and dryness. This cream is the result of 30 years of research into sensitive skin care. It's gentle, effective, and built on a foundation of scientific understanding. It features penthensicide, a powerful combination of panthenol and madecassoside. This unique ingredient strengthens your skin barrier and soothes irritation. This cream is free of 10 common irritants, including fragrance, parabens, and mineral oil. It's a clean, effective solution for sensitive skin. Experience the luxurious, creamy texture that absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft, hydrated, and balanced. It's a true delight to use. It's been rigorously tested for hypoallergenic properties and skin irritation. The results speak for themselves. It's gentle and effective. This low pH formula helps maintain your skin's natural balance. It's the perfect addition to your daily skincare routine. What we like. This cream contains panthenol to repair and hydrate sensitive skin. It's hypoallergenic and free of many common irritants. If you have sensitive skin and need a gentle, effective moisturizer, this is an excellent option. What people say. The ETUDE SoonJung 2X Barrier Intensive Cream has become a staple in my skincare routine. It deeply hydrates without feeling greasy, leaving my skin calm, nourished, and protected. One of my favorite things is the smart twist packaging. It pushes up every last bit of product, so nothing goes to waste. This is my third time repurchasing the ETUDE SoonJung 2X Barrier Intensive Cream, and it continues to impress me. It's super soothing, deeply moisturizing, and never feels heavy or greasy on the skin. As an esthetician, I can confidently vouch for how effective it is at rebuilding and maintaining a healthy skin barrier, especially for sensitive or compromised skin. For me, what sets it apart from the other facial moisturizers is that the SoonJung has a more cosmetically elegant feel. It spreads easily, is neither too thin nor too thick as to leave a cast, and leaves my skin smooth, hydrated, and glowing, which lasts all day. It makes a nice canvas for my foundation, but also stands alone on those low to no makeup days. My 60+ dry, sensitive skin has withstood this rough northeast winter very well with no irritation and has stayed very well hydrated. There's no fragrance, and it's in a convenient tube. Number 1. AESTURA Addo Barrier 365 Cream. This innovative cream is designed to repair and strengthen your skin's barrier. It provides long-lasting hydration and helps protect against external aggressors. It uses unique capsule technology to deliver high-density ceramides directly to your skin. This replenishes moisture and improves your skin's natural barrier function. The cream contains a powerful blend of ceramides, fatty acids, and cholesterol. This combination helps to lock in moisture and protect your skin. It's formulated with nourishing ingredients like vitamin E and squalane. These provide immediate comfort and long-lasting nourishment for dry, normal, and sensitive skin. It's allergy-tested, non-comedogenic, and free of fragrance, colorants, and mineral oils. It's even accepted by the National Eczema Association. This cream is incredibly popular, with one being sold every 7 seconds in Korea. It's a must-have for anyone with sensitive skin. What we like. It uses patented ceramide capsules for deep, long-lasting hydration. The triple lipid complex helps strengthen your skin barrier. If you're looking for intense, long-lasting hydration and barrier repair, especially after treatments like microneedling, this cream is a powerful choice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.